Hi, my name is Sandy Collins. Today I'll be talking about Carol Dweck and her growth mindset learning theory. Carol Dweck is an American psychologist, professor, and an award-winning author. She is currently the Lewis and Virginia Eaton Professor of Psychology at Stanford University. She is best known for her growth mindset learning theory. Dweck's 2006 best-selling book, Mindset: The New Psychology of Success, has changed the lives of millions. She released an updated version of the book in 2017. The book is titled Changing the Way You Think to Fulfill Your Potential, and it has sold over 1 million copies. Her mindset theory has been influential among educators and increasingly among business leaders as well. So what exactly is the growth mindset theory? Dr. Dweck believes that we all have a mindset, and when it comes to learning, we either have a growth mindset or a fixed mindset. Let's examine the difference between the two. First, we'll talk about the growth mindset. The most important aspect of the growth mindset is that intelligence can be developed. Dweck found that a growth mindset creates passion for learning rather than a hunger for approval. Its hallmark is the conviction that human qualities like intelligence and creativity, and even relational capacities like love and friendship, can be cultivated through effort and deliberate practice. Some of the qualities we will see in a growth mindset student is a student that embraces challenges. They persist in the face of setbacks. They believe that their effort are the path to mastery. They learn from criticism. Finally, they find lessons and inspiration in the success of others. As a result of a growth mindset, students reach even higher levels of achievements. So, a fixed mindset, what's that? A fixed mindset assumes that our intelligence is static and success is the affirmation of the inherent intelligence. Striving for success and avoiding failure at all costs is a way of maintaining the sense of being smart or skilled. Those with a fixed mindset may not believe that intelligence can be enhanced. They believe that you either have it or you don't. Qualities of a fixed mindset student include a student that avoids challenges. They may get defensive or give up easily. They see their efforts as fruitless. They ignore useful negative feedback. They feel threatened by success of others. And as a result, these students with a fixed mindset may hit a plateau early and achieve less than their potential. So as educators, can we change the mindset of our students? Research has shown that mindsets can be changed relatively quickly, and there are plenty of things that educators and families can do to help. Process praise is when you praise the student's efforts instead of praising their intelligence. Research has shown that students praised for intelligence preferred to continue working on easier tasks, while students praised for effort chose to progress to more challenging tasks. Here's a few examples of process praise. So, person praise would be saying, "Great job, you must be smart at this," and process praise, "Great job, you really worked hard." So once again, it's emphasizing the process and not the intelligence. So you're probably wondering, what's your mindset? I would like you all to go to blog.mindsetworks.com/what's my mindset to take a short quiz to determine your mindset. I have the website listed here on the screen. This will help you assess your mindset and how it is impacting your success. You can also take this quiz to help you assess your students' current motivational behavior in the classroom and assess the mindset of your current classroom environment and how it may be impacting your students' motivations. Carol Dweck's mindset theory provides a psychology that supports the value of formative assessment and provides strategies that will enhance motivation and achievement. Dweck's development of the growth mindset theory has changed our view on how to educate and inspire our students to succeed. I hope that you found this information useful and will consider using these methods in your classroom. Thank you.